Thank you, Harita and Aditi, for that nice introduction. So we move to the next performance of the evening, Jati Swaram. Jati means rhythm of dance and Swaram means music notes. Jati Swaram is not about abhinaya. As I explained before, the complexity of the dance increases as we move forward. And so initial dances are more about steps and we add the facial expressions as we move along. It is a true test of dancers' command on body movements and coordination of dance steps with music notes on mudras or hand gestures. Presenting Jati Swaram, Rag Kalyani, Tal Tishra Ekam. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause one more time for Harita.
Sa ni da pa da ma ga ri ni ri sa ni ri ga ma pa ga ni sa ni da pa da ma ga ri ni ri sa ni ri ga ma pa da ni sa Taka talang kutakati kutakata tikitatum tachum tati takatam tam tati takum tati kita takatachum tati takati takatimi takum tati kita takatachum tati takata takachum tati takati tachum tati takachum tati tati katakadum tachum tati takachum tati tati katakadum tachum tati takachum tati talang kutam katakadum sa pada magari so ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa da ma ga ri ni ri so ni ri ga ma pa da ni Sa Sa